Hey, what's up guys, it's Jit back with another video. In this video I'm talking about cryptocoinctc.org. So let's get straight into the video. And also, if you're getting started to this video, if you can hit the like button and subscribe, it'd been awesome to see your great support. And let's continue with the video. And before getting ahead, I want to give you a quick disclaimer that always invest what you can afford to lose, because this type of pre-sale project are really risky. So make sure to know your risk before investing in any of the project that I recommend. And let's continue with the video. Cryptocoin is a bridge between physical asset fiat currency with cryptocurrency. So their main aim is to act as a bridge between the physical assets, that is the current decentralized exchange system, with a complete cryptocurrency exchange system, and their coin CTC will be acting as a bridge for it. And this project is based on Binance Smart Chain. So it is a BIP20 token, which you can check out on the BSC scan itself, and also you can check out the contract they have publicly available on that. So here is how it works. Cryptocoin is a BIP20 bridge token created with high sensitive peer-to-peer electronic cash of its kind, bridging a gap between physical asset fiat currency with cryptocurrency, and it's backed by crypto tokens and coins already existing on the blockchain. So this is backed by already listed coins, that is already listed blockchain coins actively trading on the blockchain. And also, I suggest you guys go and read this white paper, because this white paper will give you a complete information on how the ecosystem works and what they are offering, and how the definition and BIP20 bridge will be acting and working according to them. So make sure to read it. And here is the distribution token. They are having a total supply of 77 million, which is fixed. No one can mint after that, and they are giving a huge amount to airdrop participant as well. So make sure to participate in their airdrop as well as to earn some free tokens, because these are just free tokens. And as you can see, this they have airdropped around like 5 million tokens already to the community, and these are the amount, that is 22 million, will be listed for pre-sale. And their pre-sale is already started on the bounce.finance. As you can see, this for one BNB you will be getting 6250 CTC token, which is a really huge amount of token that you will be getting for one BNB at the price of $0.0688. And their maximum allocation per wallet is 800 BNB, and they have raised 45 BNB so far, and their hard cap is 3500 BNB. So the hard cap is pretty huge, but let's see how this goes. As I told, always invest what you can afford to lose. So there is no need to rush on any project. Just wait for the right time to get invested. And here is the two feature that we already talked: flexibility and trust. The flexibility is that the CTC token can be traded on any centralized or decentralized exchange that support BIP20 tokens. Here is the white paper link. You can come on the site and check out this white paper. And here is a roadmap. Currently we are on the phase 3, that is Q2 2021, currently on the token sale pre-sale stage, and then followed by exchange listing on Q phase 5, and then liquidity lock. So there is some good future plans ahead for the team, so they are working on. And here are some frequently asked questions that you can read on your own to know more, to gather more information. Here are the partners: Salt, Swap, Finance. And as I told, that bounce sale is already started, so you can participate and also join their official Telegram as well as a Twitter profile, so to get the latest update about the community. And if you have any doubt, just reach out to them on Telegram. They will help you out as soon as possible if you need any information about the pre-sale or how to participate and other things. And also, I suggest you guys just check out their white paper, because white paper will be giving you an in-depth details on the how the distribution work for token sale, reward program, and all other things that you want to know. That was all about this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.